Meaning of extortion.
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 Extortion. Extortion refers to the act of obtaining something, especially money or property, through force or threats. This can include physical harm or damage, as well as economic harm such as loss of reputation or business opportunities. The consequences of extortion can be severe, including financial losses, emotional distress, and even physical harm or injury. In addition, victims may feel violated, powerless, and traumatized by the experience. Extortion is considered a serious crime and is punishable by law.